scared me. No, it was alright, yeah. I like it was
because of the breeze, I really liked it.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, I've lost my...
It's just nowhere near enough time, guys.
No.
It's just nowhere near enough time.
Hitched us a ride though.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It was really hard to snorkel though.
Can you see? Hang on, where's the... Look, what do you think they're building? What do you think they're building here?
What a view.
I think like they're building like a house.
They're building something, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's like a jetty into the water.
Look at these lake people.
Oh, should we shame them?
Shame.
That would be nice.
It's 10 to.
Do you recognise these people?
10 to 4. Shame on you.
Do you reckon they're cats?
10 to 5. So. No, 10 to 4.
Mum,
They can't.
right next to us is somewhere to go in the shop.
Goodbye, Lighthouse Point. Do you reckon that's the lighthouse there? I reckon that is the lighthouse. Right on the end there, I reckon that's the lighthouse. It's quite far to walk, isn't it? Mind you, it's probably the length of that pier, isn't it? From the last cabana. So, 10-minute walk. And that's it. It's our last port of call. Now we're off to Fort Lauderdale. On the open seas. Eleuthera.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.